Hey, what is up guys? John here at TechMoGo. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Maono DM30 RGB. So in this video, we're going to unbox the microphone. We're going to see what we get inside. We're going to check out the build quality and we're going to see how it sounds, and I'll let you know what I think of it. So before we get started, I want to just let you guys know that Maono did send these out to me to check out. So big shout out to them for doing that. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in making this video. All right, so it comes in this black and yellow box. We've got Maono DM30 RGB up top. So this one won a CES Innovations Award in 2023. And we got a picture of the microphone front and center. Got an RGB logo on the side here. And we've got Maono Link. We'll have to see what that is. I'm not familiar with that. And on the back here, we've got a couple of colorways. We've got pink, like a purplish blue. We've got the black. This one is marked black, so that's the one that's inside the box. And we've got a white one here. And so the features on this one is a cardioid polar pattern, real-time monitoring, all metal body. And we've got some software that you can use on this. And you've got a mic gain control, headphone volume adjustment, high sensitivity audio recording. I am excited to see how this microphone performs here. It looks pretty sick. And if you know me, you can see the RGBs in the back. I like that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's open this up and see what we get inside. We've got the microphone all set up on a stand already. I like that. And in the box, we've got some documentation. And we've got your USB cable, USB-A to USB-C, and nothing else. That is it. So inside the box, you get your microphone, documentation, and your USB cable. Very nice. Again, it is an all metal construction. This feels hefty. I like that. Very compact. You can also take this off. I won't take it off, but you can take it off and then you can attach it to a boom arm like this one. But yeah, it's all metal construction. You've got, I believe this is the gain knob here. Got some Maono branding in the back here. Very nice. And yeah, guys, it feels very solid. I like that. So let's set it up and we'll see how it sounds. All right, guys, so we've got it all set up. It looks pretty freaking cool. It looks pretty cool. You've got, so you've got your USB port here, USB-C. You got your headphone jack right there, your headphone port. And then you got your on and off switch for your RBGs right there. And let's see what it does. So right there, you got a steady color. Press it again, it changes. Another one. Got green, blue, a dark blue. You got a purple pink. Camera doesn't see it that way, but it's a purple pink. Then you got off right there, and then now you've got the RGB colorway that changes. So very nice. Looks really, really cool. And again, in the front here, you've got your gain knob. It's also your mute button. All right, so very cool. So I'll keep that like that. Keep this mic right there. We've got that Maono at right around 60. Microphone check, microphone check, microphone check. All right, we've got the gain on the Maono at 70. Hopefully it sounds good. All right, guys, so that is the Maono software right there. Got it set up on the laptop. As you can see, you can adjust your gain, you can mute, headphone volume, mic monitoring right there. And you've got 3 different tones. You got deep, natural, bright. You can turn off. You can control your RGBs here as well. And that's very cool. I like that you've got this software here. And you got a advanced tab where you can adjust EQ and add some filters. Very cool. Yeah, that's pretty dope. I like that. All right, so let me switch over to that mic and we'll see how it sounds. All right, guys, this is the sound coming from the Samson Q9X, and this is the sound coming from the Maono DM30 with RGB. And let's mess around with the tones here on the Maono. Right now we are set with setting at deep, and it should be, my voice should be more like bassy, and we'll switch it over to natural. And this is how it sounds with natural. Hopefully it's not picking up my fan because I still have my fan going off on the side there. And let's try bright. So now I got it switched over to the bright setting. This should be more like more treble-ish. Is that a word, treble-ish? It's gonna be more high pitched. And here is natural once again. And we'll go back to deep. I like that. I like to add some bass in my voice. But yeah, man, this thing is pretty solid. It's well built, looks very cool. Super easy to set up, and again, it has software to back it up. And hopefully I sound good. This is the sound coming from the Maono DM30 RGB. And we'll finish it with using that mic. I've got it about, I don't know, about a foot away from me. And this is how it sounds. So once again, this is how it looks. It is looking really clean. And I forgot to mention, this is a condenser microphone, so it's a little bit, it's different than the dynamic mics. It might pick up more of the fan volume that I got on the side, but it is still a cardioid pickup pattern where it should be picking up most of the sound coming from the front of it. So here we go, we're gonna test it out. This is the sound from the side of the Maono DM30 RGB. And this is how it sounds from the back. And this is how it sounds from the side once again. And we are back in the front. This is how it sounds from the front of the Maono DM30 RGB. Oops, my bad. All right, once again, I hope it doesn't pick up the fan on the side here. I'll have to check out and see how it sounds because I haven't heard this and I haven't used this yet. And the build alone seems very, very solid. And again, if you are like me, you like RGBs, this is pretty sick. And again, its construction is all metal, feels very hefty. So if you guys want to check this out, I will put links in the description. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found this video helpful and you like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button because it really does help out the channel. And while you're at it, hit that notification icon so you're notified anytime I post a new video. As always, I'm John at TechmoGo. I'll see you in the next one.